Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alpha with Savon Handcrafted soap. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a simple and easy body scrub. We will make lavender body scrub. I use sugar, tangerine, sea salt or pink Himalayan salt body scrub, and lemon sugar scrub. So let's get started, and I will show you how to make all this beautiful, easy and simple body scrub. For our ingredients sa ating lavender sugar scrub, we need 1 cup of sugar, cane sugar, pwede, or brown sugar. Almond oil or any oil na gusto ninyo, like you can use olive oil or coconut oil, any oil of your choice. We will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Mix this. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng brown sugar, pwede rin ng coffee grounds. So, yung texture ng inyong sugar scrub can be like this, fluffy, or gusto ninyong medyo basa pa ng konti. So, I think we can add a little more, 1 more tablespoon of almond oil. It's looking good. For our scent, lalagyan natin siya ng lavender essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. We'll put about 20 drops. Ayan, ang bango. Last ingredients, lalagyan natin siya ng lavender buds. So, ito ay optional kung wala kayong lavender buds or lavender flowers. Pwede ring wala. Lalagyan na natin siya sa ating jar. Lavender essential oil is very calming scent. Look at this! So this is a body scrub. Now we have a beautiful lavender sugar scrub. Look at this! Gamit tayo ng pink Himalayan salt. So we need at least 1.5 cup. It's up to you kung gaano kadami ang gusto niyo gawin for this recipe. And for our oil, gagamit tayo ng sunflower oil. So for our oil, lalagyan natin ito ng 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Looking good. So again, you can add more or less on oils. So nasa sa inyo kung anong texture ang gusto niyo, medyo basa or medyo fluffy. So like this one, for me, this is already good. For our scent, gagamit ako ng tangerine essential oil. This is very energizing scent. So, a few drops lang. Okay. about 10 drops. Wow. And then we need a jar kung saan natin i-keep ang ating Himalayan Pink Body Scrub. Okay. Okay. Super smell good. Very energizing. Okay. So this is our pink Himalayan Body Scrub. It's so simple. This is our product, Himalayan Pink Body Scrub. Our next body scrub, gagamit tayo ng lemon, dried lemon. We'll use jojoba oil, or you can also again use olive oil or coconut oil. Lalagyan natin ng a few drops of vitamin E. And then our main ingredients is 1 cup sugar. And then we will add our jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons. Again, you can add more oil, depende sa texture na gusto niyo. I still need some more. Half tablespoon. And I like this texture. And then we will add our dried lemon peel. Finely ground lemon peel. Wow! For our scent, lalagyan ko siya ng lemon essential oil. Few drops. This is 100% lemon essential oil. Okay. Smell like a lemon. Goodness, very energizing scent. And then we can add some vitamin E, but then this vitamin E ay optional. Few drops of vitamin E. There you are. Meron na tayong lemon, sugar, body scrub. Now we will try to use our lavender sugar scrub. Lalagay natin itong sugar scrub. Basain lang natin ang ating kamay at start scrubbing it. Ang bango ng lavender. So I have these petals. I-scrub mo lang siya sa iyong skin. Very dry mo yung skin. You can scrub it very well. Start na siyang nagiging moisturized. Look at my skin. Young skin. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe.